show you how to use eValid as an investigative tool to examine how web pages interact with the browser. To do this, I'm going to make a simple recording. I'll call it evaluation, and the browser will show up. Then I'll stop the recording right there. Okay, now, the recording, I need to do one thing. I need to add a breakpoint at the end of this simple recording so that eValid, when it plays, and now I'll save that, so that when eValid plays back, it'll stop at this particular point. I'm also going to make one change to the settings. I'm going to go to the log output, and I'm going to choose detailed settings and say that that's okay for this run. Now, when I play this back, eValid will go to this particular link and stop. As you can see, it's paused. Now, just for fun, let's go to the Google search page, and let's examine, while we're looking at the Google search page, what's going on in the event log. Okay? So here's an event log. If I type into the event log, THE quick brown fox JUMPED. So as you can see, and I'll bring the event log over here so you can see it a little bit better. Each time I type into the Google Ajax-based auto-complete search window, communication goes back and forth between the client, which is what you're looking at on the screen, and the server. And eValid records all of that information. If you wanted to, you could go down in there and you could evaluate everything that's being said. These little messages are, sometimes they're quite long, 103 kilobytes. Some of these URLs are quite lengthy, as you can see, way out here. All of these transactions take a few milliseconds. For example, 297, 6, 302. So there's a great deal of activity going on over inside in the interaction between eValid and the server. Over the lazy, whoops, typing wrong, right, OVER, the lazy dogs back, which is the way I learned how to type. And sure enough, finally they get the response, and we see that we got the final response, which is the page that Google downloaded, which is this great big long thing. So the point of this is, and I can stop now, the point is that when eValid is paused, it's still an active browser, and the detailed timings will show you in great detail exactly what's going on when you as a user interact with any website.